Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we make managing your money simple and straightforward. Today, we're diving into a quick tutorial on how to add a transaction in Goodbudget, the awesome app that helps you track your spending and stay on top of your budget. Whether you're a budgeting newbie or a pro looking for a refresher, this step-by-step guide will have you adding transactions in no time, and it's easier than you think. First off, make sure you have the Goodbudget app downloaded on your phone or tablet. If not, head to your app store, search for Goodbudget, and install it for free. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your account credentials. If you're new, you'll need to set one up quickly. It's painless, I promise. Now, let's get to the fun part. On the main dashboard, look for the Transactions tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of your current transactions. To add a new one, spot the plus icon, usually in the top right corner, and give it a tap. This will bring up a new screen where you can enter all the details. Start by typing in the amount of the transaction. Be precise, like $15.67 for that coffee run. Next, select whether it's an income or an expense. This is crucial for accurate budgeting. Then, choose a category from the drop-down menu. Options include groceries, utilities, entertainment, or even custom ones you've set up. Don't forget to pick the date if it's not for today, and add a quick note if you want to remember the details, like lunch with friends. Once everything looks good, hit the Save or Add Transaction button, and voila, your transaction is recorded. Goodbudget will update your balances automatically, so you can see how it affects your envelopes or overall budget. A quick tip: always double-check your entries to avoid mistakes, and try to add transactions right after they happen for the most accurate tracking. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and keep crushing those financial goals. See you in the next video.